Will a pressure washer actually clean a rug or just destroy it? In this video, we're going to answer the age-old question, pressure washer good for rugs? Holy crap. I can't believe what just happened. Or pressure washer bad? Coming up. Welcome back to another video with Sticks and Homes. I'm James, and today I want to see if I can clean this area rug with my pressure washer. It wasn't too long ago when this rug was our main hallway rug, nice, shiny, and new. However, our lovely puppy, Mr. Moose, decided that it was going to be his chew toy. Over the last several months, it has been beaten up. I wanted to test out a theory to see if my pressure washer could actually clean it as opposed to destroy it. So in this video, we're gonna find out. The pressure washer I'm using today is a 3300 PSI made by Bridget, and I've had this for probably 8+ years. It's done pretty much every job I've asked it to do. And I'm asking it today to not destroy this rug. Try to dry it off a little bit and see what happens. You can see here, some of the carpet fibers did come off. I would say that was to be expected. And anytime I ever shampooed a carpet, there was also a lot of carpet fibers that came up anyway. So I don't know if this is more carpet fibers than if I were to just shampoo this, less, the same. But either way, by looking at the rug, you couldn't necessarily tell. And let's be real, only the weak ones fell off.
Thanks for checking out this video. If this is your first time visiting Sticks and Homes, consider subscribing. If you are already a subscriber, thank you very much for sticking with me, and I hope to see you on the next video.
This is Mr. Moose, the rug chewer, and the everything chewer. Good boy. Good boy. Ah! That's my bud. That's my buddy. Easy. Take care, everybody. See you next time.